my soul tribes. How have you been this week? It's already the third week of the year and third week of January. I welcome you to the Soul Reflector. This is Shivani, your tarot card reader, your intuitive guide, and a freedom lifestyle coach. I'm doing a general reading, so if this is your sun sign, moon sign, or rising, see what you resonate with, and you can leave the rest what you don't resonate with. So let's start. Let's see what's in store for you, lovely Sagittarians. Great. We're doing the reading from 17th to the 23rd. Let's see what the spirit guides have to say for the wonderful Sagittarians. All right, so there's a lot of kings, Sagittarians. This started with King of Wands and King of Swords. Isn't that amazing? That shows, Sagittarians, that you are really working towards your work. If there are people who want to grow their business or want to get a better job, you are going to get. And not only that, you are communicating with people, you're taking actions, and at the same time, there could be a promotion too. What is the most important thing is that you are spending enough time to really work on that. You are really being a king in your work. You have understood that this is the time I want to. So if in the past you were saying, okay, things are happening, doing well, but now you're saying, no, I'm taking action. I am the king of my own work. So it clearly shows that you are really in a good hold of your work. You are good in communication. You are really taking actions. There is no more confusion. There is no more confusion. You are also embracing yourself, Sagittarians. I can see that. You are loving yourself. And you are now also seeing the divine growth. You are seeing the growth in work. You are seeing how you can divinely also grow yourself. So when I say divinely grow yourself, you are bringing more structure also in your life. So it could be maybe you've been wanting to do some yoga, some meditation, or something related to that. Maybe go for a walk. Now you're doing that. So it really shows that you're really bringing in self-love. And all the confusion that you had in the past is now waving off, because you are realizing, okay, this is what I need to do. All the fears that you have, so some of you have fears of money, fear of finances. I can see that. Let me see, what are those fears? The fears are, would I be getting enough? Will I be earning enough? Will my business grow? So I can tell you that the stars are shining upon you. Yes, you will. What you are also, again, this week, like I said, is a week for self-introspection. I can clearly see that you are also self-reflecting. What is it that I need to let go? What is it that I need to leave? And how can I really see what are my fears and why are they there? You will self-introspect. Amazing. Yeah. And you will come to that conclusion that what is it that is bringing that fear? What fear do I have? What is it that I need to self-introspect? Amazing week of self-introspection. And then comes Ace of Pentacles, which is new beginning, new growth, new work, new finances. This is amazing, Sagittarians. So yes, you will be working a lot on yourself, and you'll be really growing. Your work will grow. Your relationship with self will improve, which will obviously improve your relationship with others. Absolutely fantastic. That's great. And I can see, like I said, even with earlier zodiacs, so there's a lot of self-introspection because of Venus being in retrograde. Now, when I say that, Venus is all about relationships, and not only relationships that we have with others, but relationships that we have with our own self. Let's see what the angels have to say for you this week. What are their message for you? And I'm using a different deck compared to last 2 weeks. So let me see. Thank you, angels. Thank you, spirit guides. 7 of actions, Sagittarians. Wow. You are being called upon to claim your personal power. Wow. Feel confident as your angels will give you the strength to say no when it's the right thing to do for yourself. Let me read that again. You are being called upon to claim your personal power. Feel confident as your angels will give you the strength to say no when it's the right thing to do for yourself. Okay, so this is for people who do not say no and they always say yes, yes, yes. And when they say yes, they do not consider themselves at that time. Your struggle may actually stem from an unresolved inner conflict rather than a conflict with others. Like I said, the relationship you will be seeing, not only the relationship that you have with others, but relationship that you have with yourself. And that's what Venus retrograde is all about. So yes, and that will improve. Like I said, what are the fears? You're going to see what are the fears that you have. What is it that did not serve you in the past? What is it that did not bring that growth, which definitely you're growing now? Great, Sagittarians. I wish you all the very best. Lots of love till next week.